Hey everyone, and welcome back to Digitech Academy. Today I will be tackling a common but often stressful issue, which is data loss, right? So whether you've accidentally deleted important work documents, cherished photos, or anything in between, it can feel like a disaster, but fear not. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily recover your lost files in Windows using this powerful data recovery software. So here are common data loss scenarios that you can actually face. The first one is accidental deletion. That is, you can accidentally delete a file or even delete a whole document from your laptop, right? Also formatting errors. Yeah, so there are some times when you format your system, there are going to be an error that is going to take away your important data. System crashes as well. Yeah, virus attacks mostly. Yeah, we all know that on your hard disk, your hard drive, and everything, and also hardware failures. But the good news is, with this particular tool that I'm going to explain in this video, you can actually recover your lost data and get back to what matters most. So this recovery software actually restores deleted files from hard disk like HDD, external USB drives, or any kind of storage at all. It will recover everything. And this particular software works only for Windows. So I'm going to be explaining this one for Windows. So the premium of this tool is originally cost around $600 plus. But wait, for you to get the lifetime premium access of this software for free, kindly click on the link attached in the description section. So let's dive right into it. So here I'm on the software, right? And I'm able to see my disk. Yeah, so I have an external disk right here, which is this mass storage device, USB device, right? You can see mass storage device, USB device, and it is partitioned into two different places. You can see it right here. And something about these two is that you can actually recover data, and also you can back up your data. So you can see how crazy that is. So let me say, for example, I want to recover this. That is in case I lost any file in the past, you understand. So one of the ways I can do is just click on this three dots right here. Then I'm going to click on search for lost data, right? So if I want to back it up, I can also back up into byte to byte disk image, right? I can also do a data protection for it, or configure data protection, right? So another way is for me to click on it and also come here, all recovery methods. Yeah, I can make a quick scan, a deep scan, then allocated existing data, right? So if I make a deep scan, you can see they said deep scan is usually slower, but it's the most intensive and effective recovery method. Files recovered to deep scan are likely to be missing their original file names and locations. You can see it. So quick scan will recover recently deleted files with all their metadata, including file names and original location. So the success rate highly depends on the recent file system activity. So the recently deleted files can be scanned with the quick scan, while the ones that have been deleted for long can be scanned with the deep scan, depending on what or the kind of data that I actually want to recover. So once I choose my select the one I want to go for, then the next thing I will do is to click on search for data loss. So you can see it says nothing found. So this is because I don't have any recently deleted files on the hard drive, right? So let me also try out deep scan. So you can see, so that is how it's going to show when it's scanning, right? So when it's scanning, deep scan, and you can see that this deep scan is actually taking more time than the other one, but you can see that the deep scan is actually bringing out files. You can see 123 megabytes found in picture, audio, documents, archives. So it is even grouping everything for me so that I can be able to locate where all these things are. So you can see how crazy this tool is. This is so wonderful, right? So this is so wonderful. So let us wait for it a little bit. So look at the number of files it has recovered, right? These are the files that has been on it for a since a very long time ago, right? That has been deleted. So you can see the difference between the deep scan and the quick scan. So this deep scan is actually going to bring all the files that have actually been on your hard disk or any drive right from time. So you can see how wonderful this is. So you can also do something while it's scanning, right? You can also come to review found items. You can check out the items that it has already found, right? Look at it under mp3, which is under audio, under documents. You can see the categories. It has categorized everything. So all the PDFs that have actually been on this thing right from time is going to categorize everything out, even videos, and also the format of videos, the kind of format it is. WMV, MP4 is going to classify that, SWF, and also archive, that is zip, jar, cab, and so on and so forth. You can see how wonderful this is. It has already gotten to 1.67 gigabytes. Wow, that is 8,200 plus files are being searched already. So I'm going to wait for it a little bit, and you can see the limits that it is right now. It is still very short, so I'm going to wait for it a little bit. And you can also decide to stop scanning, like by clicking on this. You can decide to stop scanning, but I won't stop scanning, but that will depend if it's not going to take too much time. So I will just pause this video and come back once it is done, so that you can be able to see how to go about it. So here we are. We have actually scanned everything completely. You can see it has actually scanned 31,968 files, which sum up to 9.99 gigabytes of data. You can see the archives category, the audio category, documents category, pictures category, videos category. So if I decide to recover any of this category, or I can actually check the deep files, you understand, for each of this category, and select the one that I would like to recover. Or let me say if I want to recover everything, you understand. So I will just mark everything and click recover, right? Or if I just want to recover the videos alone, you can see the videos, the size of the videos, we have 135 megabytes. The size of the pictures, we have 2.6 gig, document 2.63, and so on and so forth. So let me just recover the video so that you can be able to see how I'm going to do the process. So it said recover lost data. So where do I want to recover this data to? So you can see user document. So I can decide to also make a custom location to save this recovery to, you understand. So that is how it is. Then I will just click on OK. So let us see the magic. So you can see it is already recovering the whole data. So it has recovered the whole data for me. Yeah, data recovery finished. And this is how this works. So you can see how wonderful this tool is. This tool is very crazy, you understand. And these are data that have actually left the drive since a very long time ago, that have not been on the drive since a very long time ago. So you can see. And another thing that I can do is I can also back up my data, right? So how do I back up my data? I'm going to come to drive backup right here, and also click on any of the one that I want to back up, right? So I just click on backup, and I'm going to select the folder that I want to save my backup. Then once I select it, now I'm going to click on save. So you can see it's backing up already. Then within seconds, that's backed up completely. So you can see how crazy this tool is. So I'm going to be stopping this video here. So if you are ready to get access to the premium, to the lifetime premium of this software for free, kindly click on the link attached in the description section below. And don't forget, I mentioned the other time that the premium of this tool, the original premium of this tool, is around $600+. So you can see that it's actually worth it so very much. But if you want to get the lifetime license for free, kindly check the link in the description and click on it. Bye.